Hi, in this video tutorial, we'll try setting up our all email SMTP extension. We'll go through the different setting options available in the extension, and we'll also set up one extension and try sending an email using the integrated SMTP. So let's begin. First of all, log into your OpenCart admin. Once you have successfully logged in, go to the OPL email and SMTP tab in your left menu. Click on it. As you can see, you have reached the extension page. Here, as you can see, there are different options. Number one is from email. In from email, you need to enter the email ID which you want to be shown as the email being sent from. Okay, so I'll enter opencartlabs@gmail.com. So it's not necessary in every mail your sent mail would be shown as OpenCart Labs or whatever you enter over here. It depends SMTP to SMTP. Some SMTP enables masking the from email ID, some does not. So you need to ask your SMTP service provider regarding this. Number two, from name. Here you can enter the name which you want to show as the email sent from. Okay, so I'll write OpenCart Labs admin email. So in OpenCart, there are two types of emails. Number one, emails for customers, the users who are using the website, and other emails are for the admin. So here you need to enter the email ID on which you want to receive all your admin emails. So enter your admin email ID. I'll enter the same OpenCart Labs because here I'm just trying to show you. You can enter your email ID. Okay. Now save this setting. This was the basic setting. Now the another important setting is the SMTP. So in this extension there are 6 predefined SMTP options, and also you can integrate any custom SMTP. Okay, so to show you I'll be integrating AWS SES. Okay, so in AWS SES, first of all I need to enter the host name, username and password. All these three details I'll be getting from my AWS SES dashboard. Okay, so now I'll enter them. This is my username, this is my password, and this is my host name. Now I'll save it. So I have successfully saved the AWS SES settings. Now what I need to do is I need to set AWS SES as my default SMTP service. For that I need to click over here. I need to save. Now AWS SES has been successfully saved as my default SMTP service. Now let's test it out, that whether it's sending email or not. How to test it? Pretty simple. Go to our website's front end. I'll go to the front end of this website. Here I'll try sending a contact email. Okay, let's click on contact. Here I'll enter my name. Let's enter OpenCart Labs as the name. Email address. In email address I'll enter the email address OpenCart Labs. I'll enter the email address .net@gmail.com and inquiry. Hi, this is a test email to test the SMTP. Okay, so now let's click on submit and see whether the SMTP is relaying the email or not. So click on submit. And as you can see, we have reached the success page. Now let's go to the inbox and check whether we have received the email or not. And as you can see, we have successfully received the email sent via our newly added SMTP. So let's check out from email. From email, it's showing OpenCard Labs as we entered in our settings, and that's it. That means our extension is perfectly working. Now let's see our email logs. Like, as we have already sent an email, all the emails being sent would be logged in emails. So here, as you can see, all the logs have been added. These logs are super helpful when you are facing any trouble using your SMTP. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Number one, enter your basic settings. Number two, enter the settings of the SMTP you want to use. Number three, set it as your default SMTP. That's it. You are done. As simple as that. Yeah. So apart from this, there are two other options in this extension. One is support. You can raise a ticket and you can watch video tutorials. In the next tab, license tab, I already showed you in previous video tutorial that how to enable this license key. You don't need to do anything related to this once the key is established. That's it. In future, if you want to change the SMTP, just go and update the SMTP settings and set that SMTP default and save. That's it. You are done. It's as simple as that. We have tried to make it very simple and very user friendly for all the OpenCart users. I hope you won't face any problem in managing it. Even if you face any problem, just raise a ticket and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much.